For the third consecutive year, Costa Rica hosted a successful HR Forum 2017. This event, organized by CINDE, the Costa Rican Investment Promotion Agency, brings together corporate representatives from human resources, local managers, and expert panelists who are able to generate knowledge and exchange best practices in human resource management that will allow companies to keep growing within the country. Some of the key topics discussed in the events were transformational leadership, attracting, retaining, and growing winning global teams. Labor law update, changes to the Costa Rican Labor Code. The HR professional competency model, a roadmap for success. Mergers and acquisitions from a labor perspective, progression plans. Workforce of the future, the competing forces shaping 2030. Costa Rican culture considerations.
About this third edition of the HR Forum, an event in which we hope to fill the gap in knowledge regarding labor laws here in Costa Rica, as well as cultural requirements for doing business here in Costa Rica. For this third edition, we have tripled the number of assistants against our first edition 2 years ago, and we're excited to have more than tripled the number of international participants at this particular event.
So the HR Forum here in Costa Rica, hosted by CINDE, this is an amazing event. You've got a great group of companies that have come. You've got some people who came from outside of Costa Rica to support their local representatives. The group was very engaging. The audience was very in tune with me. I've noticed a lot of collaboration. So obviously people love to see each other when they come here and get an opportunity to network. And I think that's a huge benefit of this particular conference and summit.
This third edition of the HR Forum has been a great success. We have had an important number of participants, not only from local, but also corporate, which is the main focus of the event, is to have a space or an event where corporate people and their local teams can gather information that is of value for the company, not only for the Costa Rican operations, but also for corporate to understand how the local context is.
I thought the forum was great. In particular, I thought the legal update, the cultural session, and also the session on associations were very valuable.
The way of the structure of the presentations, the way of how to create a new networking with another HR fellows or HR managers or HR directors have been great. I think that this enriched the position that actually we have and our departments in every single way.
Yes, I certainly appreciated the selection of speakers. The keynote speaker was something a little bit different, and I think different is good. It got us up out of our seats. It gave us the opportunity to sort of see and meet other people, and I like the fact that they're willing to try something different.
So I think this is a great opportunity to network, to best practice sharing, and I think one key from this third edition, it's been the transformational leadership that we've been talking during all day.
Well, this year's edition has received great feedback from all parties. Both speakers and attending companies are really sharing with us their interest to continue with this event, but mostly with the opportunity of network and with the level and sophistication of topics that we were able to bring. Definitely the group of companies are feeling themselves more empowered in terms of learning about Costa Rica and mainly how to manage yourself in our local market.
The third edition of the HR Forum Costa Rica was a complete success. We're already looking forward to inviting you to join us at our next edition.